Hello, auto enthusiasts! As your roadmap to the latest in auto, welcome to Highway Herald. Today, we're diving into the less glamorous side of electric vehicle ownership. What was promised as a smooth, silent ride and guilt-free commuting has turned into a whirlwind of challenges. From unreliable charging infrastructure to software glitches, many new EV owners are facing unexpected headaches. Let's explore the top 8 reasons why owning an EV might not be as idyllic as initially imagined. Reason number 8, the dilemma of software and connectivity. EVs are marketed as the pinnacle of smart, connected driving, but their heavy reliance on software has led to numerous issues. Many owners face frequent software glitches, connectivity problems, and bugs that can make driving frustrating. A 2024 Consumer Reports survey found that nearly 40% of EV owners encountered software issues within their first year. Infotainment systems often freeze or crash, impacting vital functions like climate control and navigation. Connectivity issues with the manufacturer's app can also prevent tasks like remote charging. Tesla, known for over-the-air updates, has faced criticism for updates introducing new bugs, such as sudden reboots in Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. Additionally, the increased connectivity makes EVs vulnerable to hacking, as seen in a 2024 incident involving a Rivian R1T. Reason number 7, depreciation and resale challenges. Resale value is a major concern for EV owners, who often find themselves stunned by the rapid depreciation of their vehicles. On average, EVs lose over 50% of their value within 5 years, compared to about 37% for gas-powered cars over the same period. This steep depreciation is partly due to the nearly non-existent used EV market. The lack of interest in used EVs stems from their potential issues. EVs can be less reliable than traditional cars, more expensive to repair due to their complex design and the scarcity of trained technicians. Battery degradation is a significant concern, as replacing an EV battery can be prohibitively expensive, sometimes more than the vehicle's value itself. For example, a BMW i3 owner recently reported a $30,000 battery replacement cost on Reddit, a situation echoed by many other owners. Reason number 6, the true cost of running and maintaining an EV. Contrary to popular belief, EVs are not always cheap to operate. While home charging is relatively inexpensive, many EV owners lack a garage or access to reliable home charging. Even those who do have home charging options find it time-consuming and requiring careful planning. Most EV owners rely heavily on public chargers, which can be costly. Fast chargers, in particular, can rival or exceed the cost of refueling a gas-powered vehicle. Repair costs also become a significant concern once the warranty expires, with battery replacements being especially costly. The lack of trained professionals further exacerbates these issues, leading to higher insurance premiums. In some cases, insurers may even choose to write off EVs with minor damages due to the high repair costs. Reason number 5, the perils of range anxiety. Range anxiety remains a major hurdle for many potential EV buyers and a source of frustration for current owners. This fear of running out of battery is compounded by unreliable range estimates. EV batteries are sensitive to external factors like cold weather, heavy acceleration, and high-speed driving, which can drastically reduce the vehicle's range. SUVs and pickup trucks, in particular, suffer from range limitations when towing or off-roading. For example, Motor Trend's trailer test with the F-150 Lightning revealed that a truck with a claimed 280-mile range could only manage about 90 miles with a 7,000-pound trailer. Until advancements in battery technology and range extend to accommodate heavy use, range anxiety is likely to persist as a significant concern for EV owners. Before we delve deeper, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to Highway Herald. Your support fuels our passion to create more content like this. Now let's explore reason number 4, battery troubles. Among the many issues with electric vehicles, battery-related problems are particularly troublesome. EVs rely heavily on software that often doesn't sync well with the battery and other components. Common issues include coolant problems and battery overheating, leading to power loss or deceleration and posing safety risks. Software update failures are also frequent. For instance, Tesla's Model X and Model S experienced reduced range after updates, leading to lawsuits claiming intentional range reduction. The Chevy Blazer exemplifies these issues, with numerous diagnostics failures reported by Edmunds just 2 months into ownership. A notable incident last summer saw a journalist stranded after only 60 miles, despite a projected range of over 150 miles, underscoring severe battery problems faced by many owners. Reason number 3, the struggles with charging infrastructure. To achieve a fully electric future, the world needs more charging stations. China is the only country with a well-developed charging network, holding over 65% of global chargers. Other countries, including the US, lag behind significantly. In the US, rural and remote areas are particularly underserved, and even in regions with more infrastructure, such as California, EV owners face challenges. For instance, a recent Berkeley study found that in the San Francisco Bay Area, a leading region for EV infrastructure, 1 in 5 charging attempts failed. Common issues include problems with authentication, payment failures, unresponsive touchscreens, and broken cables. The lack of standardization among different EV manufacturers' charging sockets adds to the problem, though efforts are underway to standardize connectors. Additionally, actual charging times often exceed advertised rates due to varying station conditions, further frustrating EV owners. Reason number 2: quality control challenges in EV manufacturing. The expectation that EVs would surpass traditional combustion vehicles in reliability has not been fully realized. A J.D. Power study found that electric cars average 266 problems per 100 vehicles, significantly higher than the 180 problems per 100 vehicles for traditional cars. This discrepancy highlights the difficulties many manufacturers face, especially legacy car makers transitioning to EV technology. Tesla, once seen as a leader in EV reliability, has seen its performance decline, with its score now aligning with the segment average of 266 problems per 100 vehicles. Among the 4 most problematic brands, 3 are electric vehicles, with Polestar topping the list at 316 problems per 100 vehicles. Dodge, a traditional combustion vehicle manufacturer, follows at 301, while Tesla and Rivian share third place. Reason number 1: limited access to repair parts. One major frustration for EV owners is the limited availability of repair parts. Unlike traditional vehicles, which benefit from extensive aftermarket support, EVs depend on specific components that are harder to source. A 2024 study by the National Automobile Dealers Association, NADA, found that EV owners wait an average of 17 days for parts, compared to just 5 days for traditional vehicles. Tesla owners, for instance, have reported long waits for replacement parts, and many body shops aren't yet equipped to handle EV repairs, creating service bottlenecks. The proprietary nature of EV components limits aftermarket options, keeping prices high and availability low. A 2024 IC Cars report found that common EV repairs cost about 20% more than those for traditional vehicles. For less common EV models from brands like Lucid or Rivian, parts scarcity exacerbates wait times and repair costs, impacting usability and overall ownership costs. Thanks for tuning in to Highway Herald. If you want to stay updated on the latest vehicle news and insights, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.